अच्छा जी, तो जरा क्वेश्चन को देखें। क्वेश्चन जो है वो क्वेश्चन 2 है फ्रॉम द बुक नवंबर 2012 पेपर 21 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पार्ट बी है। ठीक है, प्लीज नोट, ये अभी भी आपका वेरिएंट का सवाल नहीं है। इवन नॉर्मली मुश्किल होते हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली बात है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड इट। इसलिए हम वेरिएंट की क्वेश्चन हम लोग अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, रिसोर्स मटेरियल हमारे पास ज्यादा होता है। A closed cylindrical tin is 11 centimeter high at base of the diameter of what? 7. तो calculate the volume of the tin. वॉल्यूम बोला है। वॉल्यूम निकालने का जो तरीका होता है, दैट इज बेस एरिया इनटू हाइट। You need to actually understand the concept behind it. Volume is always base area into height. अगर बेस एरिया आपको नहीं आप पता तो फिर मुश्किल है। बट बेस एरिया तो ऑब्वियसली नॉर्मल फिगर्स का होता है। तो इसमें बेस एरिया क्या है जी? सर्कल का। इसमें बेस क्या है? सर्कल की। और हाइट है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर एच। तो एच इज फॉर हाइट। तो रेडियस विल बिकम व्हाट? 3.5, क्योंकि डायमीटर इज 7, so radius is half the diameter, so 3.5, and the height is 11. So can I have the answer for this? 7 upon 2 square multiplied by 11 multiplied by this will be 423.3 centimeter cube. Remember, 423.3 centimeter cube. Then total external surface area of the tin. Now external surface area of the tin, what does it mean? This clearly means that external, this is pi r square, and the external surface area is the curved surface area that they are talking about. So what we do is, the normal formula for surface area is 2 pi r 2 pi r h plus pi r square. But remember, there is a circle in the bottom, there is a circle in the, so we'll have what? Pi r square again. So that means 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi, your radius is 3.5, your height is 11, plus 2 pi 3.5 square. So this will be the generally used formula for what? The total surface area. Remember this. Your surface area means the area of all the sides. So this is circle, pi r square. This is circle, pi r square. And the curved surface area, which comes from the circumference 2 pi r, and h is there. So 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So if we just solve this, the end result for this is 319 centimeter square. So this is 319 centimeter square when we solve part 2. Now, in part 3, the question is very much clear. In addition to the surface area, a closed tin requires an extra 30 centimeter square of metal to allow the top, bottom, and side to be joined together. Calculate the area of the metal required for 30,000 closed tins. Give your answer in the square meter. Give your answer in the square meter. Now, first thing first, what you need to understand is that your question is in meters. Your question is in meters. And whenever there is this conversion thing, remember 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So centimeter to meter, 100 into 100, because obviously it's a square. So this should be 10,000 When you will be using 10,000, you will be obviously getting yourself into the meter form. But your total surface area will be 319 because 319 was taken from the second part and the additional 30 was used. Additional 30 was used. So this will be 349 centimeters square required for 1 tin. How many tins? 1 tin. तो हमारे पास कितने टिन बनाने? 30,000 टिन बनाने. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 349 into 30,000. कैलकुलेटर में डालें 349 into 30,000. So you will end up having what? 10470000. You'll end up having 10470000. Now the value is in centimeter square. But you need to convert your answer to what? Meter. So whenever your centimeter is converted to what? Meter, we divide. When we go from a smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller is centimeter and bigger is meter. So what we do is we divide. So we divide from what? We'll solve it as centimeter square. So 100 into 100. So divide by what? 10,000. All the zeros and all the zeros are cancelled out. So what you are left with 1047 meter square. So this should be 1047 meter square. So this was what? This was question from November 2012, paper 21, question number 7, part B. And this is question number 2 from the book based on cylinder.